Jey Uso is here, and he is a new man.
The following contest is an 8-man battle royal. Making his way to the ring from San Francisco, California, weighing in at 242 pounds. Main event, Jey Uso.
Jey Uso in something of a new position on his own. Some trepidation, but also some freedom.
As much as he gained from the bloodline and his brother, becoming the main event is something Jey needs to do on his own.
And Jey is more than equipped to do it.
Already one of the most popular stars in WWE, but his following grows every single night.
And Jey looks ready to deliver on his unbelievable hype. A true rock star entrance.
There is an electric feeling in this arena.
Undeniable energy to his arrival.
Setting the stage for what's to come next.
And from Kyoto, Japan, weighing in at 220 pounds, Shinsuke Nakamura.
The king of strong style is ready for action.
His renowned striking ability, his MMA background.
If you come at the king, you best not miss.
Especially when the king can hit back.
Claims he has, quote, been reborn.
Cole, I think it's more than a claim. Shinsuke's proven it with newfound brutality. Take a look at an athlete who exists on a level unto himself.
Seth Rollins is a fighter, a survivor, and he is on a quest for greatness.
And the WWE Universe is singing his praises.
And from Davenport, Iowa, weighing in at 217 pounds, the World Heavyweight Champion, SETH.
Seth Rollins is one of the elite superstars in WWE, and the list of competitors he's put down reads like a who's who of future Hall of Famers.
If we know one thing about the Visionary, it's that he's always down for some action. Rollins doesn't take a back seat to anyone. Rollins enters the ring like a principal conductor about to lead an orchestra.
And just like he controls this crowd, Rollins knows exactly what he's doing and can play his opponents like a finely tuned instrument.
The modern-day Maharaja.
representing Undashing from Punjab, India, weighing in at 238 pounds, the modern-day Maharaja, JINDER Mahal.
Well, the modern-day Maharaja looking as prideful as ever.
With good reason, and show a little respect, Saxton. Jinder has fans all over the globe.
Well, apparently none of them are here.
Well, Jinder's absolutely beloved in his homeland.
Well, listen, he wants to give them something to celebrate.
From chosen one to number one.
A man who has slain every competitor on his way to reach the mountaintop in WWE.
Weighing in at 254 pounds, the Scottish Warrior, Drew McIntyre.
The man once known as the Chosen One, always doing what he can to claim and prove he deserves a top spot in WWE.
Well, Drew has reached the mountaintop and knows how good that rarefied air can be, and he will do anything to stay there.
Well, we know Drew is rarely ever in a good mood, and I got a feeling he's about to take out that bad mood on someone here tonight.
Prepare to see a heavy, hard-hitting affair. Get on your feet and show some respect for the ring general.
And representing Imperium from Vienna, Austria, weighing in at 297 pounds, the WWE Intercontinental Champion, Gunther!
6'4", 265 pounds. Gunther is steadfast, commanding, imposing.
He is the ring general for a reason. Untouchable and unmatched in the ring.
And don't forget, unrelenting.
Now here's someone ready to storm into a fight. First one to enter, last one to leave.
And from Los Angeles, California, weighing in at 241 pounds, LA Knight.
LA Knight's not a... Just look at the size of Bobby Lashley. Truly almighty.
From Colorado Springs, Colorado, weighing in at 273 pounds, the almighty Bobby Lashley.
Bobby Lashley striking fear in the hearts and minds of everyone who dares cross his path.
Whether he's holding a title or not, the champion's spirit and mentality always drives the Almighty. A star-studded battle royal over the top rope elimination rules. After going over the top rope, both feet have to hit the floor to be eliminated. Last remaining superstar wins. This could honestly be anyone's game, guys.
Could be a short night for some of these superstars. All it takes is one misstep, someone else's one lucky moment, and you could be heading to the back to the locker room sooner than you planned.
Put down face first.
Picture perfect example for when you just want to put someone down with authority.
Drops a knee.
He's stalking his opponent from the top.
Across the shoulders, up and boom check. Here we go.
Counters. This could be an opportunity.
Push. There it is, the people's push. Going over, nice DDT.
Looking like the action is a little more than Knight had bargained for.
Jay's confidence really showed in that maneuver. Side headlock applied. Oh, and a right hand for good measure.
Ooh, what a jumping headbutt.
Rollins with a reversal. Elbow drop.
So much damage inflicted. Kick to the gut. Finds the spot.
Meanwhile, here's Drew McIntyre.
Look at this. Just launched his opponent.
Overhead belly to belly. German suplex. Battling to stay alive now.
There it is, the people's push.
Oh, he fights Jay back. Hoisted up. Gut buster. Oh, possible elimination in progress.
Headlock. Oh, cheap shot right above the eye.
Up they go. Oh, atomic drop.
Powerful spine buster.
He reverses it.
Belly-to-belly suplex. Every strike more devastating than the last.
Oh, man.
And that was taking the attack to the competition with that one. Good driver.
Oh, and then the chest as well. The Uso about to lock it in. A little
Neck breaker. Being carried around with ease. Straight impact on the throat.
taken down with the gourd buster.
Counters. Oh, rear super kick.
Behind, nasty.
Up they go. Oh, atomic drop. And that was a successful bit of offense with that maneuver. Headbutt. Elbow drop.
Something's about to go either from the top.
Oh, looks like an elimination is underway.
Bobby Lashley has been eliminated.
Here we go. Inverted DDT. And Nakamura being impeded on there.
Right across the small of the back.
Look at Jey Uso going top of the top. High risk doesn't pay off. Strikes with a kick.
Setting up an elimination here.
Oh, the rear super kick.
From behind, nasty.
And what a reversal from Jey Uso.
Oh, clothesline. Hoisted up and driven down. Emerald Flungeon. Jay is out. That is it.
Some good contact by Jey Uso.
Has been eliminated.
Oh, axe kick.
Snap headbutt. Oof.
Looking for elimination here. Oh my God, what a kick! Ooh.
Drew McIntyre.
Gunther sidestepped that one.
LAKNIGHT has been
Wicked kick to the face. Big forearm.
Oh my God, DDT! Oh, what a headbutt. Delivers the knee. Gunther just can't seem to stop this offense.
Perhaps Gunther needs to go back to the drawing board.
He finds a counter for Jay. And Gunther takes it.
Here is your winner, Gunther!
And his victory is one for the record books.
That's what happens when you put in the preparation and the training.